Find the area of the triangle BCD, correct to 2 decimal places. Here's a triangle, and what do we know about it? We know that the 3 angles there add up to 180, the 3 internal angles. So these two added together, we have 110 plus 42. That gives us 152 degrees. So the other angle must make it up to 180. So 180 take away 152. Leaves about 28 degrees. So we can write that in on our sketch there. 28 degrees. Now to get the angle, or to get the area, on page 16 of the log tables, there's a rule: area of a triangle equals a half AB sine C. Now A and B are two sides where we know the angle between them, and that's going to be C. So in this case, A will be 16, B will be this 11.39, 16 times 11.39 times sine of the angle between them, which is 28 degrees. So bang that all into the calculator: a half multiplied by 16 multiplied by 11.39 multiplied by sine 28. And we have, I have 8 there multiplied by 11.39 multiplied by sine 28, and I come out with 42. So area, remember it's area, equals 42.78. I'm rounding it now to 2 decimal places, and the units then is going to be meters squared. That's it. This is a triangle. You see, that's side angle side, and that's known as the SAS condition. Side angle side, then you go for the sine rule. And that's it. Job done.